Hey, Shopify store owners! Struggling to grab customers' attention amidst crowded email inboxes? Then listen up today, we're talking push notifications, a direct line to your customers' attention. Imagine notifications popping up instantly on their screens no matter what they're doing online. Boom, instant engagement. Send buyers straight to checkout with a single tap. It's super easy. Grab the PushEngage app from the Shopify App Store, and you're just 4 quick steps from boosting conversions. First, build your subscriber list. Decide how you want to grab visitor attention and ask them to subscribe. Customize the look to match your brand vibe. Make it irresistible. Next, add campaigns. PushEngage is packed with options to keep customers hooked. We're talking a welcome offer. Drip to greet new subscribers and make them feel valued. New product listing notifications to keep everyone excited about your latest drops. Keep that hype going. Automated Shopify campaigns for order status updates. Keep customers informed and build trust. Step 3. Smart retargeting. This is where it gets clever. Segment your audience like a pro into leads. Keep them engaged and moving towards purchase. Customers, nurture relationships and build loyal fans. Create custom segments based on anything you can imagine. Targeted notifications are key. Lastly, we set up sales recovery. PushEngage has automated campaigns built to rescue almost sales and bring customers back for the win. Set up these conversion boosters. Cart abandonment campaigns to remind shoppers about those items they left behind. Browse abandonment campaigns to re-engage browsers and spark interest. Price drop alerts to create excitement and trigger impulse buys. And inventory alerts to create urgency and notify about low stock. FOMO is powerful. Seriously, get all this for just $4 a month billed annually. Ready to see the magic? Sign up right now for a 7-day free trial and experience PushEngage. Link in the description. Hit that like button, share this video with fellow store owners, and subscribe for more tips to grow your business.